Here we have question 1, and it's making sure we know our indices laws. Okay, so when we've got y cubed times y to the 5, we need to add the top numbers. Okay, why is that? Well, it's y times y times y times y times y times y times y. Okay, so you've got 3 y's times 5 y's, so there's 8 y's. Okay, and if you didn't kind of get taught that from GCSE, that's why we're adding them. Okay, so always think back to that if you forget that. Next one, we've got 3x squared times 2x to the 5. Okay, and we know that when you times, let's say you're timesing a times b, okay, that's the exact same as doing b times a. Okay, and another way why I'm saying that is order doesn't matter when we times two numbers together. Okay, so let's break this down into what it is. Okay, 3 times 2, 3 times x squared times 2 times x to the 5. Okay, so we rearrange this into what makes it easy for us. And you can see this is why we do 3 times 2, which is 6, and then we do the exact same as part A, we add those two numbers. That's why it's 6x to the 7. Okay, and all this working out is definitely not needed. Okay, lots of people will just do 6x to the 7. Okay, but if you're on this video, obviously this is confusing you a bit. Alright, so this is why we do that. Part C now is 4x squared cubed divided by 2x to the 5. Okay, I always like to write divisions as fractions. So we write as a fraction there. Now this cubed, what is that cubed meaning? Well, it's 3x squared times 4x squared times 4x squared. Okay. And using part B, see all of this is compounding, we know we can just do 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64, if you know your Minecraft. And then x squared times x squared times x squared, well, we just add them, x to the 6 over 2x to the 5. Now, we can divide both sides by 2, on both sides, top and bottom by 2, so we get 32x to the 6 over x to the 5. Now, like how we just divided top and bottom by 2, we can divide top and bottom by x to the 5. Okay, x to the 6 divided by x to the 5 is x to the 1. Okay, now, another way to kind of convince you we can do that is x to the 5 is x to the negative 5. Okay, so 1 over x to the 5 is x to the negative 5. Okay, so what we've actually got here is x to the 6 times x to the negative 5, and using our adding rules from beforehand, we add them together, which is x to the 1. Okay, so whatever makes most sense to you, kind of remember that when you're doing these, but these are indices rules that we've got to know. Okay, now part D. Okay, we've got 4b squared times 4b cubed times b to the 4. Okay, first I'm going to look at the numbers when doing this. I'm not even going to write it out again. I know I've got 4 times 3 times the 1. We've got 12. And then b's, we've got b squared times b cubed. Okay, b to the 5 times b to the 4, b to the 9. Okay, because we're just adding these numbers. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, 12b to the 9. All right, so this, you should be able to do these without any steps. Okay, that comes with practice. But this is the reasoning kind of behind why everything is working.